hands off the demo tape. I call it rape because I sees them in a limo. Now I see the truth, the grand design, the plans of man puts the trouble on the line. Trouble on my mind.
What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Jefferson Airplane. This one's titled Triad, requested by Nazava Bor on Streamlabs. Big shout to you. Haven't heard it before, and I haven't really heard a whole lot of their music either. But yeah, curious to check this one out. Triad. Alrighty, I'm loving the audio mixing that they got going on. More of a folk song as well so far.
You want to know how it will be, me and him, or you and me. You both stand there, your long hair flowing, eyes alive, your mind still growing, saying to me, what can we do now that we both love you? I love you too. I don't really see, why can't we go on as three?
Interesting. I mean, I'm loving the song so far, like the vibe of it and everything. It's definitely, a folk song, kind of reminding me of like Joni Mitchell's music, that sort of style. But the lyrics seem pretty interesting. I'm honestly tempted to pull up lyrics for this one, just to get a better feel for it. But
You are afraid,
we'll just let it play out, I guess.
Embarrassed too. No one has ever said such a thing to you. Your mother's ghost stands at your shoulder, face like ice, a little bit colder, saying to you, you cannot do that, it breaks all the rules you learned in school. I don't really see, why can't we go on as three? We love each other, it's plain to see. There's just one answer that comes to me. Sister lovers, water brothers, and in time maybe others. So you see, what we can do is to try something new. If you're crazy too, I don't really see, why can't we go on as three?
That was nice. I enjoyed that one. Very easygoing, laid back track with a folk vibe, and the vocals were pretty nice as well. It was a very just laid back song. But yeah, definitely a playlist song in my opinion. Really enjoyed it, but I'm just very curious about the lyrics for this one because I mean I was listening to it and I was paying attention to as much as I could pay attention to, but yeah, it just seemed like I was missing a piece of what was happening. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna look further into this one. But yeah, that was an interesting track. Really enjoyed it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it as well, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.